Hi, I'm Charmaine Singleton, and today I'm going to use some scrap yarn to make this very beautiful butterfly. I'm starting with a white color. First, you make a magic ring. You can make the magic ring in whichever manner you are comfortable. Now you chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make one double crochet in the magic ring. Now chain 2 and make 2 double crochet in the magic ring. 1, 2. You have to repeat this process to make 8 pairs of double crochet, and you will complete this circle with a slip stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Then slip stitch to join the ends. Chain 1 and pull the working yarn tight and snip off the excess yarn. Now we will go for the next color. Now these are the chain space that we have after every 2 double crochet, and we are going to work on this space. Now add your next color on the chain space. Here I chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and I yarn over and make a double crochet. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and repeat 2 double crochet in the same space. 1, 2. Now you make your next 2 double crochet again on the chain space, followed with 3 chains and 2 double crochet once again. 1, 2, 3. Now yarn over and make 2 more double crochet. 1, 2. Repeat this on all the chain space. Slip stitch on the third chain. Now the second round is completed, and we will cut off the excess yarn and change the color. Now you see you get an octagon shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'll begin with the third color, that is pink, and this time you will not work on the chain space but in between the 2 double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over and make 4 double crochet on the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. chain 1 and make 4 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch after the 2 double crochet. Now yarn over and repeat the same process in the next chain space. And slip stitch after the 2 double crochet. Now yarn over and make 4 double crochet on the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 2 and slip stitch on the 2 strands to form a little peak, and then you repeat 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch between the 4 double crochet and repeat the same. Here we made 2 semicircles and 2 with peak. Now just repeat the same process, 2 semicircle, and the opposite side you'll make 2 with peak. Now yarn over and in the chain space you'll make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, insert your crochet hook under the 2 strands and make a slip stitch. Make 4 more double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch after the 2 double crochet. Now repeat the same in the last chain space. Now slip stitch, chain 1, make it tight by pulling the yarn and cut off the excess yarn. Hide the yarn between your work itself. This looks like a beautiful flower, but when you fold it, it gives a 3D effect of a beautiful butterfly. Now just fold your flower shape, keeping the 2 semicircle portion down and pointed as the top wing, and we will do a surface stitch. If you are unable to make a surface stitch, use a needle and make a chain stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip 3 chains and slip stitch in the 4th chain from your hook. Now slip stitch on all the chains. And finally onto the butterfly to hold the shape. Now chain 8 once again and slip stitch in the 4th chain from the hook. Now slip stitch in all the chains. Do another row of surface stitch until you come to the bottom of the butterfly. Once you complete the surface stitch, chain 5, leave the first chain on your hook and slip stitch on all the other chains. Now your butterfly is ready. Cut off the excess yarn, but please watch till the very end. The finishing tips are very important. Now this very cute butterfly is ready, and you can stick a magnet with B7000 glue or any other good glue, or add a key ring to make it a keychain. If you add a magnet, you can stick it on your fridge or your cupboard, and that looks absolutely beautiful. Just wait for a few more moments till you see the final touch. Oh my god, this keychain looks absolutely lovely. Now the final touch is to use a lighter to just smoothen up the surface. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. In case you enjoyed this tutorial with me, please consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tap on the bell icon so you never miss a simple tutorial like this.